riding the waves again. Getting out into the waves wasn't easy for Bethany anymore. Paddling with just one arm was difficult. Standing up on the board was equally tough. Still, catching that first wave after the accident made everything worthwhile. Bethany remembered, "I rode it all the way to the beach, and after that, I just had tears of happiness." Learning to paddle with only one arm was not easy. Today, Bethany is competing once again. She had 5 top 3 finishes by November 2005. Other surfers can't believe the way she's bounced back. "It's amazing to me," says Keala Kennelly, one of the world's top pros. "I really don't think I could do it." On January 10th, 2004, Bethany surfed in her first competition since losing her arm. Only 10 weeks had passed since the shark attack. As long as I can. Can something good come out of something terrible? Bethany thinks so. She still dreams of surfing victories, but now she's got other dreams too. Bethany wants to make a difference in people's lives. She wants to help others learn to deal with pain and loss. Most important, Bethany wants to encourage people to follow their dreams, no matter how hard it seems. In 2005, Bethany went to Thailand. She met with children who lost their parents in the tsunami. Later that year, she helped raise funds for victims of Hurricane Katrina. Bethany in Thailand. What does the future hold for Bethany? Only one thing is certain. Her life will include plenty of surfing. "I've been surfing since I was 5, she said, "and I'll be surfing until however long I can."